Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about chart analysis. Okay, see, I have opened here. I have logged in my Zerodha account, and I will show you how to analyze this charts, support and resistance and trend lines. I will show you how to trend analyze the trend, support and resistance area. Okay, go to the Nifty 50 chart. Open this. This is the moment of the one day chart, friends. See, this is the time frame. Here I have put one day time frame. Market is moving like this. Okay, finally it was going in completely strong buying side. Okay, uptrend. How we will find this uptrend? Okay, see, click on this weekly time frame and see this big green candles. That means buying pressure is there. That's why that much of big green candles, strong green candles without wick. Okay, we are getting small wicks here and strong candle here we are finding. If you want to check in line chart also, see, this is the W pattern it has created and it will break like this. Okay, go to this one. Intraday traders just to like watch in the 1 day or 1 hour, 5 minutes or 15 minutes. These time frames are very comfortable to analyze the intraday traders, because we don't want to see in weekly or monthly charts. We just want to see the 1 hour chart, 15 minute chart, 5 minute chart. And if you are placing order, you want to see the 1 minute chart. This is 1 hour time chart, and this is the 15-minute chart. Okay, in the 15 minutes how price is moving, like, see, from here market opening time to ending time also, market is going upwards only, moving upwards, moving up, higher rise and higher rise. Okay, in 15 minutes candle once we open means, okay, this is how price has moved today. See, I will draw the trend line here. See, in this zone price is moving in this consolidate area only. Okay, price is not going up, more upside and downside. It's like a consolidate zone. Okay, once this higher this one swing high is broken upside, market started moving upwards, and here again market has consolidate again. Once here we can draw another trend line also. Here, this here higher highs, it has broken. Okay, we can clearly visible. Is it visible now? Okay, fine. This higher, this trend lines, when market is moving sideways, friends, you need to observe that you just draw a trend line in the higher highs and draw a trend line in the lower lows like this. Here you just, if you want to do scalping also, it will very useful, because swing high to swing low to swing high and swing high to swing low, we can easily scalp in this sideways market. Okay, and once this resistance area is break upside means we want to go buying side, and if you want to, if trend line go down, break downside means you want to go selling side. Or you can, nifty in bank nifty you can go like options and future traders means you can go put options. Okay, this is the trend line for basic trend line. I would like support and resistance by drawing, and trend lines are you want to drawing. And another thing, you can use indicators by through like indicators by technical zigzag indicator. It will help you show the how price is zigzagging. Change it as a time frame. Here one, click on OK. Okay, here time, you change the time frame. Click on the 1 hour. Okay, this indicator will show like this, like where the uptrend has begun. See, this is the downtrend here, and when price is started moving upside, it was showing upwards. Okay, this will indicate, this indicator will show the trend line, how to draw, or like downtrend and upside trend, it will show very clearly. Okay, this clearly it was visible, friends. See, this is the uptrend, because when the reason behind the uptrend is higher highs. When market is formatting higher highs, then we will consider the uptrend. See, it was, once it was breakout, see, like this price is moving, like here little bit consolidate, and here like suddenly here gap up and little bit consolidate and price moving like this is the higher highs, completely strong upside. There is no very little bit of consolidate zone here, and I will start, price will keep upside higher, creating up higher highs. That means uptrend. Okay, in in downtrend what happened, I will show you. In downtrend how price will move, I will show you. Okay, see, downtrend started from here. See, this is the downtrend. We in downtrend, what is the price moves will lower highs to lower lows. Like price is moving like this, consolidate, again fall down, consolidate, fall down, consolidate, again fall down, and up moments. This is how downtrend, like this. See, this is the downtrend clearly visible. It was, price is moving downside. Okay, this is the downtrend. This is how lower lows, it will, when price is moving in lower lows, means that you need to understood the price is going down. In the big signification of downtrend market is creating lower lows. Okay, there we see, for example, in this candle, how much sellers selling pressure is coming there. Big red candles in signifies, like if you are in downtrend, bearish trend. Okay, for intraday traders, we just want to observe overall, means overall market view we need to see in the 1 day chart, and you need to observe in 1 hour also, 1 hour chart also. You want to open and observe the trend in 1 hour time frame, how price is given movement. And finally we need to analyze 15 minutes candle. Almost all traders will use, friends. Okay, this is the best time frame, because in this time frame we can clearly visible. In other time frame also it was useful, but intraday traders, the 15-minute time frame is very useful, I guess. And I really use this 15 minutes and 5 minutes. See, 5 minutes also it was looking same. If you are a scalper, like you are trading with big quantity, like for thousand quantity, 10,000 quantity, 1 lakh quantity, it's very better for using 1 minute candle. Okay, this is how 1 minute price has been changed. See, friends, It's a line chart I will put now. See higher highs and higher lows, how it was creating. See, this was higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high, like this. Higher highs is creating and higher lows is creating. Higher low, higher low. These are all higher lows. Okay, now in this signifies very strong uptrend is it was showing. Okay, na? And one more thing I will show you how to find identify uptrend. Okay, by using indicators also you can find out the trend. Okay, I have indicators means moving average. Three moving average we need to put in the market. First one is 21 days moving average. Click on OK. Second one is 90 days or 50 days. Anyone you can put the indicator. For that you want to change the color because you don't want to get confused. Okay. And third one is 200 days moving average. This one is very important because it will show the long term trend. Most of the professional traders will use this 200 days moving average. If price is moving on the 200 moving average means, imagine friends, that is the strong buying side. See friends, in this scenario indicator has showing, see, price is moving like this, and if the price is not coming down from this moving average, just touch with the moving average, keep on going in the moving in the upwards of the moving average line means, that means it was completely uptrend. There is no downfall from this moving average. See, for example, if you find like my price is moving downwards or in the between of this moving average means, this is a consolidated zone, price is in consolidated zone, or below this moving average line means, see, for example, moving price is moving like this, three below, like 200 days moving average, 50 days moving average, and 90 days moving average, 20 days moving average. This price is moving down from this moving averages means, this is a downtrend and or bearish trend it will significant source. Okay, if price is moving like moving average 20 days moving average between 90 days moving average means, that is the sideways market, that will show sideways market sign. Okay, first thing we have studied about break, like a support zone and resistance zone, and next thing moving averages. Okay, and price is like upwards price how it will move, and downwards how price it will move. This is the chart again. See friends, big red candle that shows buying pressure, that means bullish market. Big red candles means that will shows bearish market. Clearly I will tell you, price is fallen from here, 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 like this. This is the bearish trend. This price is fallen from upside to downside, that means bearish trend. Okay, price is started moving upside, consolidate upside little bit and going straight upward, that means completely uptrend market. Okay, today we have learned about trend and support and resistance and moving averages. Okay, thank you friends. If any doubt means, comment below this video. Thank you.